to write a blog post about my YouTube thumbnail from yesterday about how to make a website in 5 minutes with Windsurf AI. Was really blew my mind because it was great. So we use a prompt, write a short and engaging blog post based on this picture. I have the title, a description of the picture, and the description is how to make a website with Windsurf AI in 5 minutes .png. Maybe it's taking the text from the image and then making this blog post. This is a short blog post. You can make a middle blog post, a long blog post, and I think it's great if we get this from a picture and one line, a prompt of one line. But is it because of the description of the picture? So we try it again, and this time I'm going to put a picture from Dubai in it. There's nowhere a description. It's named QU1NGAZ. We're going to see what's happening when we write a short and engaging blog post based on this picture. I don't know what it's doing, but if you can look at the picture, you see it's Dubai. This is really amazing. The palm, a slice of paradise in Dubai. This is a picture of the palm, and it's recognizing that it's the palms from a picture where you cannot tell it's Dubai, where you must be been in Dubai, then you know it's Dubai, but this here is the palm. So it's really great. That's giving a blog post. But this is the first part. I want to let you see that it's possible to write a blog post or a little blog post from one picture and see what's happening. But now I want to try to take it a step further. So we're going to try it again with my picture of how to make a website with Windsurf AI in 5 minutes. And I'm going to give the prompt, and then I'm going to generate again a blog post. And this is the first blog post I'm going to make, and then I'm going to iterate over it with little small prompts to make it a really great blog post. So you can put in one picture in ChatGPT and you can make a really great blog post. Okay, if you are on the free plan, it's some difficult maybe because you can enter 1, 2, 3 pictures, and this is why I use the pro plan. But for now it's pro plan, but even on a free plan you can do it. It's only one picture a day maybe. So this is the first blog post is made. So I'm going to type another prompt. This is a basic blog post on level 1. Please rewrite it and write an engaging blog post on level 2 and direct people to my YouTube video. Now we're going to see what the improvements are from this video. It's a small prompt, so I don't expect much, but I want to see if it's making a better blog post, maybe add something in it. And as you can see, it makes some different blog posts. Now we get bullet points, and I ask for a CTA to going to watch to my YouTube video, but this is a lot better than the first one. Now I'm going to give another prompt. This is a great improvement, but please make it a level 3 blog post. That's great for SEO and will rank on page 1 in Google, and at least make it a level 3 blog post. And now let's see what's happening. If you get a great blog post, a middle blog post, what it will be. It's really dingy, or my internet connection is really dying and it's really slow. But no, here's the blog post. I don't know what it's going to make, so let's watch if it's a great blog post or a better blog post. Or if you ask me, it's a lot better than with which we started. We started with this clunky text. It was a full blog with text, no outline, no heading. It's difficult to read. Then we spice it a little bit up with a simple blog post. Please rewrite and write an engaging blog post on level 2 and direct people to my YouTube videos. So I gave the CTA. Then we get a better blog post because it's using bullet points, so it's a little bit better to read, but it's not great. And then I gave the less prompt, and this is a great improvement, but please make it a level 3 blog post. That's great for SEO and will rank on page 1 in Google, and at least make it a level 3 blog post. So I repeat myself, don't know if that's needed, but now we have a full blog post, and it's even added the FAQs about AI website creation. They have a clear call to action. Click here to watch my YouTube video and build your dream website today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on leveraging AI to grow your online presence. So I think this is really a great improvement. If you see where we started and what we've got, it's really great. So this was for today. I would say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Put your thumbs up if you like it and leave a reaction below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.